This PHILTOP catalytic converter is specifically engineered for late-model Chrysler, Dodge, and Volkswagen vans and sedans with the 3.6-liter engine, so it fits like original equipment when installed on the correct applications. The internal ceramic honeycomb core is designed with a porous, high-surface area structure that promotes strong exhaust flow while giving the catalyst plenty of contact with the gases for effective conversion. Because it meets federal emission standards, it is a practical solution for restoring emissions performance on vehicles that are not registered in the most restrictive states. Build quality feels solid with clean welds and sturdy flanges, which helps the converter seal well and resist cracking under normal heat and vibration. Owners will appreciate that the direct fit layout reduces the need for cutting or custom fabrication, making installation more straightforward for a do-it-yourself mechanic or local shop. PHILTOP backs the converter with responsive customer support, so if there are compatibility questions or installation concerns, it is easy to get guidance.